Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with CurlsCurls once more. Same packaging as the last time, nice sleek box. So we're gonna get into it. I'm using the wig first as usual. The only other thing in the box is this booklet here, and usually it's talking about hair care, recommendations of how to care for the hair and all of that. So I'm always happy that they put something like that in the package in case it's your first time. In the wig bag, I got this little information paper, with what's in your package. And I also got these 2 extra combs that you can put on the inside of your wig. CurlsCurls, they're gonna give the best curly wig or hair quality. So this is the wig that we have today. Nice 1B, super curly hair, but this is a V part. This is how it came attached and stuff, and just pull it apart. But yeah, you guys know V-part wigs been in for a while now. No hassle of having to finesse a lace front or lace closure. It's just a V-part. Usually you just install this into your braids and you're good to go. So that's what we're gonna do today. Super easy, super beginner friendly. The wig looks so good. This is 18 inches long, by the way, and it's a natural curly texture. So the inside of the wig looks like this. Along the V cut portion, you got 2 combs, and this is what you use to stick into your braids to keep it secure. And inside of the wig cap looks pretty standard. A total of 3 combs are inside there and adjustable straps in the back. And we also have a elastic band, which is adjustable. You could go ahead, you have the option of, taking this out or keeping it in. And you can tighten your adjustable straps in the back to make the wig more secure or tighter, whichever you prefer. So yeah, that's how it looks. It's very full, very tight. Love the look of it. Love, love, love. So let's go on and jump into applying this. Ahead and slip this on. Okay, what you want to focus on is making the area that you're sticking the combs not look detectable, it's a wig. So my braids have grown out a lot, so you can't even see my parting. But what I'm gonna do is, and I don't have the straightest parting going on, but even better, it will look even more natural. Okay, so we got it in. So what I'm gonna do is start working on teasing along the weft, so that it's not as noticeable. So you wanna just work on that. This is how it's gonna help to kind of camouflage the surge. Just play around with it as I go along to just have the hair looking as natural as possible. Okay, and that is looking super good. Super good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead, and the hair looks so good, I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. It looks really good, very undetectable. It looks super natural. I love the volume. I love the volume. Let me know what you guys think. I don't think I've ever really done it this way before in terms of installation and like camouflaging, you know, the like serge area. Like you could take your time and even fluff it more if you wish, so that teased vibe just make everything look more like, you know, it's coming from your scalp, you know, very undetectable, and that's what we want. And I feel like CurlsCurls really did a great job in the construction of this wig. The quality, as usual, it looks very good. Like, it's real pretty. I love the volume. Love the volume. It's very nice. So let me know what you guys think. This is definitely throw on vibe, not throw on and go. It does take a little bit of finessing, just like what you saw me doing. So yeah, just it's not that much time. It's way easier than if you're new to like finessing a lace front or a lace closure. This is way more like, you know, easy to kind of, you know, get around. So yeah, so I hope you guys found this informative. I'm going to be sure to drop the information on this wig down below in my description box, as well as the direct link. Shout out to CurlsCurls once more for today's wig look. It's really cute, really cute. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.